What's up guys, Redneck Official here. Today I am changing out the thermostat. You get this little check engine light, it's fairly common. No, the thermostat is just faulty. So today I'm changing it out, hopefully that fixes the problem. So to get started, you need to unscrew here and unscrew here. Also be careful when you're taking this clip out, you don't want to rip the wires. This is a very important piece. It's clipped on, just pull it off, clip down, pull off, like so. Make sure you get that out of the way, you don't want that getting damaged. And then once this is unscrewed, just pull it right off. You want to remove this piece and get it out of your way. Don't want to damage any of that. Once this is off, you can get to your radiator hose. We're replacing this. So this is the new thermostat here. It's pretty simple install. You want to unclip your radiator hose from the old one, pull this off, put this piece and have a catch can down there. So I removed the hose. It's very leaky. It was pressurized, so before I fully removed it, I took the cap off just to relieve some of the pressure. To remove the cap, you got to unscrew it, press down and unscrew it some more. It is nice to put a little catch can down there to catch a little bit of it. I'm going to remove the thermostat housing now and put the new one in. So don't be alarmed whenever you remove the thermostat. All the fluid, all the coolant will fully empty out. So you make sure that you do get some more fluid so that you can change it out. This is what is recommended for a Dodge Challenger. Make sure to remove this gasket from the old one. That's the only way you can put the new one in. The new one should already come with one right here. So just like I said, make sure you remove the old one. Alright, so once it's reinstalled, reconnect the air intake and then pour the fluid into the holding tank and then run the vehicle until all the air is out. Put the lid back on and you should be good to go.
I don't know what you're expecting, but buddy, if you're betting, I'll be betting on a hell of a time. Cause you know we're gonna party like cowboys, pop out the big toys, pour on the gasoline.